Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this tea bag bookmark. Okay, so all you're going to need is I'm using cotton yarn in 2 colors, a little bit of stuffing, a 3mm hook, yarn needle, pair of scissors, and you can either use safety eyes or googly eyes. If you use these ones you'll need a hot glue gun as well. To start, take your coloured yarn, make a slip knot, and chain 9. Okay, skip the last chain that you made and make 7 single crochets, just 1 in each stitch. Okay, once you've single crocheted 7, you should have 1 chain left, and we're just going to make 2 single crochets in that last chain. Okay, next we're going to turn our work and we're going to work in the back of the chain. So just through these little loops here. And in this last loop we're going to make 2 single crochets. Okay, so at the end of that row you should have 18 stitches around. Next we're going to just make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and we're going to do 5 rows. Okay, so it's just 1 single crochet in each stitch for 5 rows, and it will start to curl up. Okay, so pause the video here and just finish your rows, and then I'll come back and show you what to do next. Okay, so here's how it looks after my 5 rows. Okay, next I'm going to cut this colour. And then I'm going to pull it through. Okay, so I'm going to skip this stitch and I'm going to thread the yarn through both loops of the next stitch. And then I'm going to go to the last stitch that I made and just go through the back loop. Okay. Okay, so if you're going to add safety eyes, you can do it now. Okay, next I'm just going to add a little bit of stuffing. Okay, next I'm going to take my white yarn and make a slip knot. And then I'm going to put my hook in the stitch in the side. And pull that slip knot through. Chain 1. Okay, so now we're going to stitch the two sides together. Okay, so I'm going to go back through the stitch that I put the slip stitch into and the stitch behind it. And then I'm just going to single crochet. Okay, go through the next stitch and the stitch on the opposite side and single crochet, and we'll just do that for each stitch. Okay, through one side and then through the other. So at the end of that row it should be all closed up and you should have 9 stitches. Okay, chain 1 and turn, and we're just going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, chain 1 and turn. And now we're going to make 1 decrease. So go through the first stitch, yarn over and pull through. Go through the second stitch, yarn over and pull through. So there's 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Single crochet 5. And then make another decrease with the last 2 stitches. So put your hook in the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, put your hook into the second stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so at the end of that row you should have 7 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn. Okay, next make another decrease. Single crochet 3. And another decrease at the end. So now you should have 5 stitches along. Chain 1 and turn. And then I'm just going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Next we're going to cut our yarn. Pull it through. And then we're just going to weave this tail in. So I'm just going to weave it down this side and then into the stuffing. Okay, next we're going to make the string. So insert your hook into the middle stitch, so there should be 2 on each side. Make a slip knot. Put it onto the hook. And then pull it through. And then you just want to chain as long as you need for your book. So I will probably chain about 80. Okay, so once your chain is long enough for your book, you just want to cut your yarn and leave a long enough tail to stitch on the end piece. And pull the hook through. Okay, and I'm going to weave this end down this side here. So I weave the other tail down here. Okay, to make the tab at the end of the string for your tea bag, you just need to chain. Okay, to make the tab at the end of the string for your tea bag, you just need to make a slip knot. Chain 8. Okay, skip the last one that you made and make 1 single crochet in each stitch. So you should have 7 single crochets at the end of this row. Okay, chain 1 and turn, and then you want to make 1 single crochet in each stitch, and you want to do that for 4 rows. So 1 single crochet in each stitch for 4 rows, and you just chain 1 and turn to start the next row. Okay, so here's how it looks after my 4 rows. And you just want to cut your yarn. Pull the hook through. And then just weave in these 2 ends. Okay, so to attach this piece, just thread your white yarn onto your needle. Go through the middle stitch, so there should be 3 on each side. And then you just want to make a knot. Okay, so here's how it looks at the end. So I just glued my eyes on. You can add a little smiley face if you like. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.